I've been at Whiteman Osterman Hanna now for almost 20 years, exclusively practicing immigration law. Before coming to Whiteman, I practiced for about 3 years in immigration law in Miami, Florida. It's something that I always wanted to do, but I didn't know it. I think when I was younger, I always had an interest in foreign history, politics, culture, and language. And I knew I wanted to do something in that area, but didn't quite know it was immigration law until I went to law school and became involved with some volunteer efforts while I was in law school. I was in Miami, Florida, and back in the early 90s, there was a large crisis in Haiti, and we ended up doing a lot of volunteer work to help people who were resettling in the United States at that time. So I think that really showed me that immigration law was probably the area that I wanted to work in. Immigration law is a diverse field. There's a lot of areas of immigration law, and there are a lot of practitioners that really focus on just one or two areas. My areas of expertise are primarily what you would call employment-based immigration. So I work with a lot of employers who bring in engineers, professionals, researchers, professors, and teachers into the U.S. And it's an area I really enjoy because I like learning, especially when I'm working with researchers and scientists and engineers. I really enjoy learning about the real fascinating research that's being done by them in the U.S. And it gives me a lot of satisfaction to know that these people are really benefiting America in the long term. The other area that I do, which seems to be completely separate from that, is I do a lot of work in asylum and family-based immigration law. So asylum is where individuals are seeking protection of the United States because they fear returning to their home country because of their political views, their faith, their race. That gives me a lot of personal satisfaction to help people to find their American dream and be safe in a country that respects people and respects rights, the rights of the individual.